Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a self-care checklist video. So on Pinterest there are a lot of checklists going around for your self-care day. As much as I love the idea, which is not original, I got it from another YouTuber, but I could not find another checklist that actually resonated with me. I just wanted to create one of my own. So this video is going to be for my future self and for you, so that we can get out of our beds and take care of ourselves on a self-care day, because scrolling on TikTok and staying in your bed is not a form of self-care. I'm sorry to say that. So yeah, let's get this video started. Step one is to get yourself hydrated and eat something. I have no idea what I want to have for breakfast, but I'll see you when I figure it out. Figured out what I'm having for breakfast. I almost completed my bottle of water, and I'm having bagel cream cheese sandwich with bagel, cream cheese, lettuce, and cucumbers in it. Let's make it. Really excited for the breakfast, so I'll see you once I'm done eating it. Okay, so step 2 is going to be taking a shower and washing my head. So I do not go out when my hair is wet because I do not put heat on my head, so I cannot dry it. So I like to merge self-care days and head wash days, and I also try and not wash every single day. So yeah, today I'm going to wash my hair because I am losing a lot of hair. I'm having hair loss, so I'm trying this new product that is Olaplex. I've heard a lot of good things about it. This is Olaplex number 8 and 3. Then I also have sample size shampoo and conditioner from Virtue, so it's going to be a perfect head wash day. I'm also will be able to try new stuff. So yeah, I'll see you after I'm done cleaning up. Okay, so it gets dark really early these days, so that's why I'm using an artificial light, but I do like how it looks on me, so bear with me. Leaving all that aside, after you're done taking a shower and washing your hair, put on a cute loungewear outfit. It has to be cute and loungewear. It has to be relaxing outfit. Make sure it's relaxing. Did I say relaxing? Yeah. Put on a cute loungewear outfit and then put on your skincare, because even if you do it once a week, trust me, your skin will thank you in the long run. I do it every single day, just in case if you were wondering, but even if you do it once a week, it will really help, and slowly and steadily it will become your habit. So put on your skincare. So I'm loving today so far, but I'm really hungry. But that's not the next step. The next step is to change your bed sheets. So this is the bed sheet that I have on right now. So let's change it. So here you go, the bed sheet's changed. The only reason that I changed the bed sheet is because I took a shower and my head is clean. So I wanted a clean pillow. So I make sure every single week I change my pillowcase. I try to do it as often as I can, but a week it is. I cannot do it more often than that. And the second thing that I'm going to do is light up this candle, because it's going to be smelling so good after that. And I really need to smell good. I smell good myself because, I took a shower, but I need to make sure the room smells good. I don't remember which step we were in, but I do remember that I'm really, really, really hungry. I just had my breakfast a long time ago, and I just had that. That's the only thing I had since morning. So I have some fries because well, it's self-care day. I can eat whatever I want, you know. And also I'm gonna try and read this book. This was one of the things that I wanted to do for the New Year's, but I didn't get time to do. So even if it's at the end of the week, you know, we'll try and read this book, which will also help me decrease my screen time. So this is the book, and it's a book that takes its time. So you're supposed to read it slowly and like get through it, take time reading it. So yeah, that's a great book. I really like this book. Okay, so the next step, the second last step that is really crucial for this self-care routine is to learn your favorite song, and it has to be a remix of the song, so it's high beat or any high beat song that you like, and play it and dance on it, or even pretend like you're in a concert. Like, who cares? You are the singer, even if you can't sing for the life of you. So yeah, do that. I know it's not the highest beat song ever, but I love this remix. So yeah, this is my small little step that I'm going to do without the camera, because I might get conscious, because, well, I'm not used to dancing on camera yet. Pizza, Red Bull, and movie. Like, this is the ultimate step of any skincare. I mean, self-care. So the night has come to an end. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below whatever you want to see next. I want to have much more self-care days than I want to have glow up days. That's a resolution for 2022. Okay, bye-bye.